Alright, we're here in Staten Island. There's the X5. As you can see, we got a shitload of snow. Let's take a look. Wow. It's real deep in there. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna try to simply go in, get in the car, and go. So I'm able to get out. Alright? Eugene's gonna video record me, I guess from this angle. It's a good angle, right here. Alright, here you go, Eugene. Let's give it a try. I don't know. X5, 4-wheel drive, it's not that great, but let's see what happens. I don't have high hopes for this. Alright. Here you go. Shit. One more time. Almost there, almost there.
Don't hit his car.
Just gonna back up a little bit first. Here we go, guys.
Got the wheel all the way to the right. Oh, wow.
Alright, here we go again.
Got the wheel to the right. There you go.